Hi, welcome to What's in Martin's Shed. Biscuit today is Walker's shortbread finger, can't beat that. Was going to be Jammy Dodgers, but my son ate the entire pack before I could actually get to them, so we just went with those. So they're really good. Put that down. Let's have a look what's in the shed. It is a DT125 LC Mk1 from 1982. This is a bike that I had when I was 18 years old to 19 years old. Absolutely loved it at the time, had tons of fun. Not this actual model, not this actual bike, but that model. And yeah, we're going to get it out and show you a bit about it. And here it is. Alright, so got it out. So it's DT125 1982, this model, Mk1. This is actually the French version, so it's unrestricted. It actually goes really, really well for a little 125. I bought it from the same guy as I bought the IT from. You just go there. And yeah, he had 3 of these. I wanted a black one because I used to have a black DT125 when I was 18. And so it's nostalgia, but they are really fun bikes anyway. My DT when I was 18, I didn't have a lot of money back then, so I swapped it for an old YZ250, and when I got it, it had, I think, no back wheel or a broken back wheel. I had to re-spoke the whole thing and do it all up, but when you're 18 you don't care. I had loads of fun on that, I remember one time I'd been wheeling it outside the pub. No, you shouldn't do that, but 18-year-olds. And the police came, started chasing me, and I went a little way up the road, and then I thought there was no point, so I just stopped. I thought, oh, that's it, I've lost my licence, fair cop. But he just gave me a caution, and he actually said, nice wheelie. So I kind of got away with that, but it did make me think twice about doing that. But anyway, yeah, the DT125, this particular bike, we come in a little bit closer. This particular bike does need, it looks a little bit cleaner than it actually is. If you look closely, it does actually need a fair few bits doing to it. I've already done the clutch and the main bearing seal, but it needs tyres really. It's got a little bit of play in the wheel bearings. So I've also got a new swing arm to go on. So yeah, 2 new tyres. If we go around this side. Tank's been completely resprayed. It's actually, the guy done an amazing job on it. And probably I'm going to take out the engine, and just because you can see the engine is not as clean as, let's say, the tank. So at some point I'll take the engine out, do a full rebuild, and really clean that up nicely. So yeah, it's a very clean bike, but does need some work doing to it. So yeah, let's start it up, shall we? Start time. Alright, so yeah, just make sure the petrol's on, a bit of choke should need, make sure it's on. It's got the DT sound. I do also ride the DT. I'll do another video sometime of riding it. If you've got any DT stories, do comment below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.